Hey folks, Peter Crump from Bob Pedler Real Estate. I'm out at 2254 Cadillac in Windsor, my latest listing. 2-bedroom, 2-bath house with the possibility of putting another bedroom in the basement. Beautiful little place here. Handicap lift out the front. If you work at Chrysler's, this might be a very handy spot for you. Also, big deck on the back of the house, plus your own garage and cement drive. Give me a call at 519-919-3506 and check this fantastic listing out today.